Well, good afternoon, y'all. It ain't quite afternoon yet. It's still morning. Hey, how about that? Just seemed like afternoon. We got started so early this morning. We're at the show in Killen. It's called their Spring Fest, Killen, Alabama, just outside of Florence. And I'm gonna walk around and do a little video of the tractors and such that are here. So we'll get started and start over here. Over my shoulder is Mr. Brandon McCullough's 430 with plow on it. I'm gonna flip y'all around where you can see everything a little better. So there's Mr. Brandon's 430 with a plow on it. Beautiful little tractor. And then right next to him is John's 70, which y'all have seen a time or two. And Brandon's got our banner up on the Classic Green Reunion. And next door to that is, that's my G. Well, mine and John's, I'm gonna say. That's our 41G. Had 3 people try to buy it today, but it ain't for sale. Next to that is Beverly's 430 that y'all have seen in the videos before. Here's our little setup here. Got our tent set up with banner for the Classic Green Reunion, table with stuff to be sold. Here's a banner we made for the picture we made for the bridge crossing. And next to that is our sign for our Mackinac Bridge crossing. If you've never done the Mackinac Bridge crossing, it is a fantastic event. I highly recommend it. They got a number of vendors out here as well, but we're just kind of interested in the tractor stuff. Up on the hill, you see lots of antique cars. And we may walk up there, take some video. Here's a vendor out here that most of the farm mall stuff looks like. And Ford, I see some Ford stuff in there, some tires. There's a farm mall engine over there, some fuel tanks, Malice Chalmers stuff, and some farm equipment. We go down the line, we got a big Ford here. Not sure what that Tiger. Is this yours? The Tiger?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about it. What is it?
Well, it's a Ford 6610.
Oh, it is? Okay.
It is. And that tractor come from the city of Florence, which is here, and that's a good old tractor, but it did have a big side mower on it.
Oh, okay.
And I've pulled it off, and it's good. The reason why I brought it and this one is because they're both getting restored and getting front end loaders in the summer.
So what's the Tiger special on it? Is that
Tiger
a special model?
Tiger is a mower brand, and they're out of North Dakota.
Oh.
And say in roadside maintenance, vegetation maintenance, they say there's Alamo mowers, there's Tiger mowers, and then there's a few other bushwhacker stuff like that. Well, in the 70s through the 90s, Tiger was one of the best built. They were right there with Bush Hog brand. Okay, so everybody ordered them. Well, they paired up with Ford. And then through like 1970 something, I don't know, and up to the 90s, they would buy these Ford tractors, unpainted, bare tractors, and then they would buy them, and then they'd take them to their factory. Of course, they'd mount these mowers. You ought to have seen how much of a job it was.
I bet it was a job.
It was
yeah.
the tractor. You couldn't. It looked more like a skidder than a tractor with this on it. But anyways, they would take it and they beef it up. And of course, it had wheel weights all the way around it, and it's got some extra linkages on the back, hydraulics. And they would just take it and They either order them industrial yellow or paint them. And they put these tiger stickers all over them.
Yeah.
And this one's supposed to be about a '94 model, but I'm not up to date with that. But I've got some of the stickers, and I've actually called and talked to Tiger, and they've got final inspection stickers on. I'm gonna get them to remake me some.
That'd be great.
It's gonna go back just like it is, but it'll have a front end loader.
I love to see stuff that's different.
I do too.
Yeah.
I do too. It's a good old track.
That's cool. Well, thank you.
It just needs a little bit of love.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Nice looking Ford. As we come on down here, we got some Farmalls. There's a beautiful Cub. I like the one with the blade on it. 140. Not sure exactly what that is. It's a Cub for sale. Hello, boy. Alice Chandler's, a couple of them. GP. There's Mr. White running his beat. Sounded pretty good, White. Sounded pretty good. Who's MP? Who's MP? No? You're going to go out there and get the track today? And we got some Massey Ferguson, more Farmalls. Yeah. Here's a little LI.
I wear these a lot.
I've got one of those with a blade on it. It's not quite as good a shape as that one. I like to put him a buddy seat on it. You can walk around. Yeah, I like the buddy seat on it. That's pretty cool. And there's C.A. Alice. H. Farmall. I'm kicking them all pretty.
Yeah, I tell you all mine.
Hey, that's the only way to do it. If I can't use it, I don't want it.
Well, it is.
Doesn't sounding good.
I found out that don't have enough weight on the back end to pull an 8-foot disc the other day. I had to hook my 45 B to it. Big, heavy 8-foot birch wheel carried in.
Yeah.
I made about 3/4 of the way across the field and just started spanning it.
Yeah. 38?
38. I got a 36 short frame at the house. I got to get it finished.
And just your DO here?
Yeah, that's the
I heard you running down here earlier.
Yeah, it's a haul.
Yep. Well, that one's kind of right between my two.
Yeah.
I've got a 38 and a 53.
Well, I grew up with 38, dude.
You fix to do a slow race on the tractor.
We got it from, we bought it from Old Post.
Oh, really?
Indiana.
Yeah. Are you hand started?
Started till one went out and it cranked so easy that I ain't bothered putting a battery on it.
Wow. Never seen anybody crank one hand crank with it.
Going out there on the
got flooded. I think it's flooded.
Yeah. Pretty easy to do too.
Yeah, my D floods real easy.
Bad thing is it likes so much fluid fuel, you still it's flooded pretty quick.
Yeah. Them big old pistons, they suck so doggone much fuel in. They flood real easy.
It won't to.
Yeah. There we go. Now we got it. You know, the D is about the only tractor, about the only John Deere that I think sounds better with a straight pipe than it does with a muffler. Most of them I'd rather have a muffler on. The D just sounds right with a straight pipe.
Hey, look, between that one and his GP over there, man, they don't sound good.
Yeah. That GP was looking good.
Come on down, they got love.
I'll put my 430 in there. Alright, we got the full tractor race going here. Uh-oh, killed it. Looks like Mr. Dwight Mullen's gonna win that one. Yeah. Nice job, Dwight. Couple garden tractors here. Panzer. Couple Panzers. And some little John Deere's of 110. I'm not sure what this is. This is a 110 also. And over here we've got what we got here. Standard Twin. 1948 model. All behind garden tractor. Pretty neat. Got a diff. I guess you can set on that platform on this. Pretty neat. Well, that's it for the tractors that's here. Race again. Tweaking on his now. He's gonna get it ready. Another slow tractor race. White done got it again. All right, you. Well, that's about it for the video from the show. If they do some more tractor games, might get some more video later. But for right now, that's good for today. And go sit down and get out of the heat. About time to find something to eat. Yeah, kind of getting hungry. So for now, bye y'all.